Hi, y'all. I stepped outside this morning while my coffee was brewing and heard a strange buzzing sound. And I looked up in the tree here and noticed that it's being swarmed. There is a whole swarm of bees. Don't know if you can hear. Maybe you can see. There we go. They're everywhere. It's a big swarm. Mr. B. So not something you normally wake up to. I'm told they show up here like once every year or two, and they're just collecting honey or the materials for honey, and they'll move on in a day or two. And as you can see, I'm not too concerned about getting stung. I've had friends with bee and honey operations. Tupelo honey is pretty awesome. So as long as the queen isn't being threatened, they are just fine, and I'm safe. Anyway, that's today's lesson in birds and the bees. Honeybees. They're pretty cool to watch and listen to once you get over the disconcerting feeling of being around a swarm. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye.